Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making one of my favorites. We are making chapatis. So we'll go ahead and just dive into it. So you add your flour, your salt, your sugar, then your oil. Then you're just going to incorporate that, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, guys. Then we'll add some of our water, just slowly adding it in as we mix the dough together. Then before it's fully incorporated, we'll just throw that onto our surface and just knead it. So we're gonna knead that for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it should be perfect. Then we'll roll it into a ball, oil our bowl, and throw that in there. Just add some more oil so that it doesn't dry up, and cover that and let that sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. Once our dough is ready, what I did was just portion the dough and then roll it out. This is our fast roll. So you roll it out, add your oil, and then just twist it as I'm twisting it. Then you're gonna let that sit aside until we're done rolling all the pieces of dough. So roll, add your oil, twist, and roll again. Once we're done with all our dough, now we roll the chapatis. So we're going to roll it into a nice circular shape. I like mine nice and thin because I like my chapatis a little flaky and crispy on the outside. I'm just setting the ones I'm rolling aside. Then on our pan with a little bit of oil, we're just going to throw our rolled chapati. Once it starts bubbling, you add your oil. Then you flip it, and look at how beautiful that chapati looks, guys. So yummy. Yeah, Lucas was helping me cook them. That's what we usually do. I do the hard work, he comes and just finishes up with the fun part. But yeah, guys, look at how crispy those are. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. Make your chapatis, make some chapatis, and yeah, tell me how it goes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.